Team, welcome to this a little bit different video today. I just wanted to give some more context before I let you dive in today's vlog, which is essentially what you'll be witnessing is part of the Perspective team in New York City. And the reason for me giving a little bit more context is because maybe you've noticed that in general, many of the marketing communications that we do have switched languages, right? We're super focused on the English language right now, just because based on the fact that we really started internationalizing last year. Perspective has started primarily in the German-speaking market, and all of our revenue basically came from that. And you've basically seen Perspective funnels behind a good share of all the ads that are running in Germany. And so the mission is to do the same internationally. And so we started with this last year, so internationalizing last year, are basically seeing some significant growth as a result of it right now. To further double down on that, we went to NY basically just to meet some friends, to meet some customers, to meet some befriended entrepreneurs, and basically just learn as much as possible. Because one thing that was super interesting is that at the end of the day, markets are very different. And with us coming from Germany, talking to German customers most of the time, there was definitely a knowledge gap for us to really figure out, okay, how do we best move into that market? And so that trip was one of the research pieces to achieve exactly that. And we documented it a little bit, just showcasing the time we had there, the things we did, things we worked on. And so with that being said, I hope you enjoy this newer type of format, and I'm wishing you lots of fun while watching.
My friend Niels came in and he feels so confident that everything will be fine. Niels, Robert and I, we're going to New York because we want to expand the company. I'm not sure if you know that already, but currently 99% of our revenue is coming through German-speaking markets. And our goal and ambition is basically to expand to the US, right?
We're heading over to NYC today to meet some customers, meet some interesting minds, learn as much as possible, and enjoy ourselves a little bit. And I'll take you guys with me.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Let's go, USA!
Okay, thank God, we made it through the security control. We just had some issues with Niels, not sure why.
All the tech stuff.
All the tech stuff. But now we are off to the gate.
Got the overhead code, Chinese stuff.
Taken off to Brussels, and then next stop will be NYC. Touching down in New York in a short amount of time. And Michael just said we'll open some headquarters there. Yes, hopefully someday. We'll see. So now we're just exploring town, and then we'll see if we can actually crush the internationalization, and then we'll talk about headquarters. First of all, super excited to be here. Touchdown in NYC. We have this beautiful, cozy little apartment right here. And now it's time for sleep. It's 3 a.m. on our end in German time, so next update tomorrow morning.
Guys, it's 6 a.m. in the morning and we are up in New York City, our first day. We're heading to the Brooklyn Bridge to see the sunrise. And look at this. We made it.
Look at the sun over there. Bridge over there.
Look at him, the man with the money. Okay, team, it's Saturday. We just have been at the gym and now we are looking for a lunch spot where we can work a bit, read a book, and just having great conversation with the boys. How was our day?
The day was beautiful, man. Look at the sun.
Sunset in New York City. It's 6:30 in the morning. We just woke up, gave Robbie a call, and he said, hey guys, let's go to the Central Park for a run. Let's take our Kindle with us. Maybe we find a nice coffee and just enjoy Sunday morning. Okay, thanks to Robert. He showed us the way, and welcome. Thank you so much for bringing us to this beautiful location here. Robert just came up with this idea that we should move to the US together, the three of us. And then we were thinking about how much budget we would need.
Welcome to another day in New York City. We're kicking it off with a quick meeting called Weekly Acquisition, which is basically a reoccurring meeting, just one call, completely focused on the creative side of things of marketing. Then we'll have a bunch of meetings discussing things to be executed upon for our big winter release, because last time we had like thousands of people live with us. And then we have a bunch of interesting other meetings coming up, for example, meeting customers on Thursday, meeting a bunch of befriended marketing, growth, founder people. So it's going to be exciting. Let's jump right in.
Where are we right now?
We work in SoHo, 524 Broadway Street.
Did we had a productive day or not really?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Yes.
It's good. A lot of meetings in the morning.
Yes.
Then a lunch meeting, which was very insightful, with marketers from the US.
Amazing.
And then focus time to get stuff done.
Cool.
It's nice.
Just at the gym, now back in the hotel, getting ready. Now we're on our way to the co-working space, so let's go. But where are we going to?
Co-working space. We work.
Nice. To do what?
Brainstorm a little bit.
Brainstorm.
Brainstorm, yes.
So not working.
First we start with brainstorming, so then we have a plan what we're going to do.
I just finished recording a new video. In this case, I'm breaking down the exact strategy behind a viral funnel that resulted in over $21,000 of sales. Honestly, it was a little bit difficult finding the right place to record out here in NY, as we are in this co-working space in classic New York on Broadway.
I'm sorry for only getting back to you now. It has been some time now because we were busy.
It's 2026 already. We've already made it in the US. We're here for the 20th time.
Exploring this amazing, beautiful city while listening to Berlin techno music.
Last day, New York. What's the plan?
day.
What's the plan?
The plan is right now we're going on a little shopping spree.
It's been a long time coming. They ain't come from my cloth, they tugging it. Putting up numbers, 99 pounds, and I still kept it 100. Yeah, it's been a long time coming.
Our flight is in 1 hour at 7:30, and we are flying to Geneva, to Switzerland first, because there's no direct flight to Berlin. And so it will be quite a long trip for us.
We just found out that this airplane, at least it looks like it's like more than 60 years old. So not sure if this will be our last video. There's my friend Niels Clement, and he feels so confident that everything will be fine.
How are you feeling? Feeling very good. Yes. Excited to be back in hometown soon and